Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Today's video, I thought I would jump back into Aperty again. We've been covering off a few things in Aperty, like how to do a basic edit, how to do batch processing. What I haven't covered off is how you can actually export your photos in Aperty. So let's jump into Aperty now, and I will show you just some basics when it comes to doing exporting. Okay, so I've got this image here of Emily and I'm pretty happy with how I have edited it. This is pretty similar to the edit that I did the other day, so I've just got some basic changes. I then went over and I have done a little bit of blemish removal, a little bit of skin smoothing, a little bit of face color correction, brightened up those dark circles just a little bit, maybe even do just a bit of face brightening. But if you want to see how I edited some of the images in full, perhaps jump over to some of the previous images that I recorded in Aperty and put up on YouTube. So what I want to do now is I actually want to export it. So if I come up to the top here, I've got export and it brings up the export panel. Now I can decide on where I want to export it. So I'm just going to come to here, select that folder. Now you can export it as the same image file name, or you can change it. You can save it as a JPEG, PNG, TIFF, Photoshop, PDF, etc. I'm just going to do it as a JPEG. You can have some sharpening on it if you wish, so there's low, medium and high. I'm going to leave it at none. Sizes. Now I actually prefer to export when I pick the long edge, so the longest side. If it's landscape, that's going to be sort of the top, and I will set that to about 1600, and that's in pixels. I'm going to export it as sRGB, but I could do Adobe RGB or ProPhoto. I'm not going to do any compression. I'm going to have my resolution set to 96 because I want to use this for social media and online. And I'm going to have the image quality at 75%. And then I just hit export, and that's pretty much it. So it will just show up here where it is, and once that's gone, it has finished exporting. You can grab your file and do whatever you wish with it. So that's it for today's video, short and sweet. I just wanted to show you how you can export your images, and there's lots of different options in the new program by Skylum, which is Aperty. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye for now.